I have this hairstyle in, I feel like I'm giving Coming to America when she's like,
when do I look at the camera? When do I look? Hi, what a surprise that you're here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisha Brittany, and if you didn't know, now you know. Today we have a quick and simple hair tutorial for you guys. This hair is the up, down, is it? This is the half up, half down hair pieces by insert name here. They were kind enough to send me their Chloe set, and I went ahead and tried it out for you guys. And I actually had a little bit of doubt because I didn't feel like it was going to match my hair texture at all, but surprisingly I'm not too mad at the results. I do have a special coupon code, so stay tuned for that throughout the video, as well as if you want to see how I was able to get this hair to just be a little bit more, you know, lifeless, because this is not human hair. Be sure to stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I am not starting off with freshly washed hair. However, my hair is not super dirty either. It's kind of like in that in-between stage, and I also do not have my hair blow dried at this point. As you guys know, I've been working to kind of keep my heat on my hair to a minimum, so it is kind of like a little bit shrunken because it's been braided, and then also it needs to get washed. But however, I knew that this style was going to be super simple, quick, and easy, and I had no leave out of my natural hair aside from the ponytail, so I knew it was going to be braided back anyway. So just starting off, I'm doing my good old good up plait braids, you guys. These braids are not cute at all. However, you're not going to see them. They're going to be underneath the hair pieces. They are not going to be seen by anyone unless, you know, you get your clips pulled out your hair. If you want to do them neater, be my guest. However, I knew that this was going to be a quick style for me and something that I did not necessarily need to last long. However, the quality of this hair surprised me and shook me. Okay, so I'm going ahead and plaiting my hair all the way down, and then you'll see me pin them up. These clip-ins are the Chloe set from insert name here, and I believe the color of this hair is a 1B. You'll see in the lighting that it is a little bit off from my natural hair. My natural hair is still pretty jet black. And the color that they sent me was 1B, but it's okay, it's fine. You know, your hair changes a little bit of, you know, tone and darkness once it has like product in it, so you'll see that it really did not matter as much. Here is the packaging, and on the top it says glow up, and one thing that I found really cool about the packaging of this was that it gave you like a sample piece. So let's say you order this and you are like, I don't think this color matches. Just to keep in sanitary measures, they do give you a strip test. So they give you a piece of the hair that's like a small piece to make sure that it matches the color, and I thought that was genius. Here I am just taking the hair out of the netting. This Chloe hair was super bouncy, so there you can probably see that this hair is more of like a 1B color. You guys, I was super nervous because when I took it out, I was like, okay, one, it's not true human hair, so I was a little nervous. I'm like, oh my god, this is not going to match my curl pattern, or it's just going to look fake. And if you guys know me by now, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm not really into things not really looking too natural, if that makes sense. But again, just watch, because the hair is going to surprise you. It surprised me. All right. Alright guys, so if you notice that the hair texture is kind of like how my hair is, where it's not really too, you know, too mimicky of my natural hair, I always love using this method when I install clip-ins because I just feel like it adds extra protection. You don't have to worry about matching and blending and stuff like that. I did give the hair a smell because that is another thing. It's another pet peeve of mine, is getting hair that does not smell good. It bothers me. I know there's hair perfume, but it's like, come on, just let the hair smell good. This passed the smell test, and here I am inserting the second row of clip-ins. So it is 3 for the back and then 1 ponytail clip-in for the front. These clips were secured very intricately and very detailed, even to the point where I kind of lifted up the combs off camera to see, you know, I always like to make sure that the combs are sewn down correctly, just to make sure that this is a package to hair type of hairstyle and product. Literally threw this hair on, and I swear to God, this took me no longer than 20 minutes to put on my hair, if not 15. Like, super, super, super easy. You could do this even if this is a very beginner style for you. And I was able to brush out these curls because they were a little tight. I ain't gonna hold you. They was a little tight, and I was not really feeling how tight these curls were. But I was able to brush them out, and when you see me here finger coiling them out, trying to finger detangle them, just to make sure that I am able to do that without it getting tangly. As you guys know, synthetic hair sometimes, you know, it likes to tussle a little bit. So, you know, this not tussling with me was my stamp of approval. And here is the ponytail, you guys. I am brushing it out here. As you can see, I didn't want to install it and have it super like tight curled. I wanted to get the full effect right away. So the ponytail part has a comb on the front, and then it has a band which you wrap around. On the back of the band, one part is Velcro and on the other part is hair. And you just wrap it around your ponytail. It's as simple as that. I will say that I went ahead and took this out once because I didn't necessarily like how it felt hanging on the back of my hair. However, as you can see, I also didn't leave out any hair on that very top part, so I was a little concerned that it would be weird if you saw it. So I went ahead, readjusted my ponytail, put it a little bit lower, therefore you wouldn't see that. And then I also did cover up those braids on the side. Don't come for me, I promise y'all, I took all the precautionary steps. So once I realized that my natural hair was not laying with just the gel, I went ahead, took this out and laid it with some edge booster, which is literally the only thing that literally slicks my hair back down without it curling back up in like 10 or 5 seconds. But here I'm just brushing out the curls, making it look a little bit better, and boom, 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 boom. Do we see that? Do we see that magic transformation? So guys, this is the final look of the hair. As I told you guys, this hair is not human hair. It is synthetic. However, I do feel like this does have a longevity type of feel to it. Usually when I get synthetic hair pieces, I'm just straight off the bat, I already know that it's going to be like super shiny and it's going to be kind of hard to make lifelike or realistic. However, with the insert name here hair, I was able to, that's a tongue twister by the way, I was able to brush out the curls to give it more of a realistic look, and it did not tingle. As you can see, I'm running my hand straight through it and I'm getting no tangles. Insert name here also gives you a little bag to put your hair back into when you're done using it, so you can save it for another look. I do have a coupon code for you, and it's going to be right on the bottom of the screen. If not, it's going to be in the description box below. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.